Hello friends, this is Yash and welcome to my YouTube channel Master of UiPath. In this video I am going to share a workflow which I have created to get the information of doctors, that is name and the qualification, and also their photograph from a hospital website. So let's proceed and check what is this workflow all about. This is a hospital website, and what we are supposed to do here is we can see a drop down. First one is anesthesia and so on. Last one is urology. So we are supposed to select each of it and script the data of the doctors under each department. So how we can do this is by for example, first one I have selected, and if I give a search, and I can see the list of doctors with their name and qualification is seen. So what we are supposed to do is we have to fetch the name, their qualification, and their photograph. So their name and qualification will be stored in a Excel sheet, and a screenshot of their photograph will be taken accordingly. So this is a next option, Ayurveda. So here also the name of the doctor and qualification. So this is being collected. I have created a folder with the name department. So if you check this, it will be empty before the workflow runs. So what we are supposed to do is we have to create a new folder, and it should have the name of each department. For example, first one anesthesia. The next one I'll create one more new folder, and I will name it as Ayurveda. So in this way all the departments should be made as a folders. So inside the anesthesia, now it is blank. So what we are supposed to do is we have to fetch the photographs of each doctors, and also one Excel sheet which contains name and their qualifications. So this is our project now. So we are going to the website and getting all the informations of the doctors depending on their departments. Now I have ran this workflow. Let us see what it is actually doing. So it has opened the browser and went to that hospital website, and it has selected the first department in the drop down list, and it is extracting the data now, name and qualification, and also their corresponding photographs. So now the second option in the drop down list, that is Ayurveda. And this process continues for all the departments in the drop down list. Now the workflow has completed, and let us check the department folder. Now we can see we have many folders with the department names. So it has done for all the options in the drop down list. Also we can see that the photo of doctors and also one Excel sheet. Let us open that. Let me close this, and we can see doctor's name and qualification. So these 4 doctors are under the department anesthesia. So the robot has put all these 4 doctors under the folder name anesthesia, their respective photographs, and name and their qualification. Similarly, if we check for the department Ayurveda, we can see 3 doctors photograph and one Excel sheet. Let us open this. Here also 3 doctors, name and qualification. Also, it is to be noted that the photograph of those doctors are saved by their name itself. Here the photograph of one of the doctor is not available, so it has captured what it was appearing for the bot. In this workflow, I have used dynamic selectors to capture the photos of doctors, that is to take a screenshot. Even you guys can give a try to create similar workflows. And also, if you face any kind of doubts or any issues, let me know in comment. Meet you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Thank you.